Hello friends, few days back I come across the simple blog about the Xloader new campaign. Today I am going to discuss about that only. Usually, Xloader distributed by the mal spammed email. The email contained the PDF attachment. The PDF attachment drops the embedded XLS file into the temp location, and the XLS file used to download the RTF file. The RTF file used to download the Xloader using equation editor vulnerability. Let's we see. I have the email. I'm going to extract the PDF file using EML dump. So in the email there are three parts there. The third one is the PDF attachments. So I'm going to use section 3 -d for dump, and I'm going to redirect the output. It is OP1 output 1. So we will check using the file. So we confirm this is the PDF file. Once we confirm, we need to check what are the elements in the PDF file. For that I am going to use PDF ID. Here we can see different kind of element, object, end object, stream. There are different kind of elements in the PDF. So a few are the very important things. Example, you can see JS, JavaScript and open action. These are the important elements. And another one important element is embedded file. Here embedded file is the one. This means there are one embedded file inside the PDF file. So we need to extract the embedded file. For that I am going to use PDF parser. If you check this PDF parser, you can see here this is the embedded object. So it's applied the flat decode as the filter, and this is the embedded object. The object is 37 object, so we need this number to extract that. Now PDF parser and the file is the argument, and we need to going to extract the 37th object. For that -o 37, and in the PDF they apply the filter. For that I'm using F and dump, and we need to give the file path, that is output 3. Okay, we will check that dump. So if you see here, it's showing different kind of file like a CDV2 encrypted file. CDV2 encrypted file means office document, and it is the encrypted password protected file. If you using the OLE dump, you can see. Here you can see this is the encrypted package and encrypted info. And if you want to, you can check with the email. Sometimes what happen in the email, we will have the password. So here we don't have the password, but most of the time what happen, they are using the default password for the office file. The default password for the office file is the Velvet Switch Up. So we have the one tool called MS Office Crypto Crack. If you use that tool, then it will check is there any possibility of the passwords. I'm going to use that tool. So you need to pass the file path. It is the third one. If you see here, it's found the password, that is the velvet feed song. So now you need to decrypt that particular XLS file, then we can see what is inside the content. For the decrypt, you just need to use this tool. Also there are another tool also. You can use it, but I'm going to use another tool, MS crypto tool. That is also you can use it, but I am going to use this tool only. And then you need to pass -o, then you need to redirect the, that is the OP file. So now we check what is OP file. Okay, here we can see it's a Microsoft Excel 2007 file. Okay, now we can easily get the embedded, what are the things if it is any other macro or any other embedded object or embedded URL, we can get it from OLE dump. I'm going to use the OLE dump to extract the embedded object. Here if you check, there are two sections there. One is the OLE bin, another one is the OLE object. So we need to check this object only. That, so we just need to pass that section. Yes, here. If you see here there is the link, right? This is the link used to download the RTF file. Okay. So if you want to get that exact string, then you can use -s also. This from here you can get it the exact URL. This is the URL used to download the RTF file. If you see in the URL, there are some kind of technique they used. Here if you see HTML preview github.io, this is the code repository. If you see oc.at, this is the file repository, cloud repository. They use the combination of the code repository and the file cloud repository. I will explain the this technique in the different video. Please check the description for that detailed explanation.